Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. On this channel, you guys know I'm going to be bringing everything I can find to you on videos and tips and ways to make money from home, amazing job opportunities, and cool side hustles. My goal right now, because of the season that we're in, is focusing on looking for remote opportunities, things that you can do from the comfort of your home, safely at home, while we're going through this season right now. So let me just tell you, make sure you hit the subscription button. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video you're notified. Okay, most importantly, if any of the jobs I talk about today don't fit your skill set, please share them in your networks. You can share it on Facebook, you can share it on Instagram, you can share it via text message to a friend you know who might have this skill set. Let's help one another make it through this season right now. If you're looking for a job or you want to do something on the side, hang in there with me. Drop your comments below, drop your requests below, drop your skill set below, drop your background below, and I'll see what I can help you find. Okay, they say two heads are better than one, right? So make sure you guys go ahead and jump right in and hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and welcome. And I hope you guys come back again. Those who are loyal and have been hanging with me for a while, thank you for continuing to watch the videos and dropping comments and coming back and sharing these things with your friends and family. Okay, let's jump right into the first job. I'm going to go over 3 jobs today. Stay to the end because I have a really good one for one of our essential workers who are on the front line of this situation right now. So stay to the end because I want you to share this with anyone you know who is already working in this arena. Okay, but let me jump into the first job. We all know, we all shop, we are getting some of our essential products from this company. Of course, it is Amazon. You guys know Amazon has a lot of virtual jobs. If you go here, you can see that in the US there's 270 virtual jobs. If you look here, it'll say virtual. Okay, so just so you know, just type in virtual when you get to the top and scroll through and see what virtual jobs you find that fit your skill set. Well, I'm going to go over this one right here, HR contact center manager, which is a virtual job. Okay, and they are looking for one. And I'll just go over a brief description. Join Amazon's Employees Resource Center ERC team and help make a difference for all Amazonians. The ERC provides HR assistance to Amazon employees in the form of accurate and consistent and timely response to inquiries from various contact channels: phone, web, chat, web case, and chat. Okay, so we are currently looking for ERC contact center team manager to join the team. The ERC contact center team manager sets the vision, direction, and culture of their teams by managing their team performance expectations and goals, maintaining singular focus on ensuring and improving customer satisfaction. They identify broader customer impacting issues and implementing solutions to drive quality and productivity while achieving real-time desired service levels. ERC contact center team managers also responsible for budgetary, people development, and operations and objectives for ERC. So let's just go over the skill set. If this fits your needs, you can go over here and get more detail about it. They're looking for someone who demonstrates strong internal, external customer service focus, drives quality and productivity of team to deliver consistent bar-raising employee experience. Okay, a true hands-on approach, as well as the ability to successfully monitor the pulse of the employees to ensure a high-level employee engagement, be comfortable with high volume workload, and not be afraid to roll up your sleeves. Okay, so the basic qualifications: bachelor's degree or advanced college education in related field, human resources, business administration, psychology, industrial engineering, or alike. 4 years of related management experience, contact center experience a must. Okay, so basic U.S. legislation, leave of absence. So you need to have some qualifications in this area: leave of absence and accommodations knowledge, 1 year of leave and or accommodations experience to include previous work in leave of absence. So anything that has to do with leave of absence, if you've been in HR and you've worked in that, they're looking for someone with a background in that. Knowledge of U.S. federal and state leave and disability laws, detailed orientation with ability to analyze, problem solve, organize and manage multiple priorities, strong systems knowledge, experience at PeopleSoft, Oracle, SAP, ADP, and other HR management and payroll systems, as well as call center applications. The ability to handle projects using project management principles and methodology, demonstrated customer service and communication skills, both verbal and written, and verbal and in writing. Okay. Strong judgment and instinctives, ability to manage escalations to resolution, able to audit self and others for a very high level of accuracy. So check these out. Go back here as well. Okay. They have other virtual, but I thought HR because I think of people that I know, people that give me feedback of jobs that they're looking for, and I found this one. There's a list of jobs here, and you guys can come over to Amazon. This link will be below in the description so that you can check out the other opportunities. Look, it's a lot of jobs here, and it's all over. It's not just the US. They have some um, jobs here. I believe I just saw it's virtual, so it's okay, but I think I saw something in other countries. So um let's see. Right now, I just see the US, but I have two other jobs I want to share with you guys. So hang in there, okay? So that was Amazon. Drop below in the comments, and the link description will be down below. Okay, so the next job is Apple. You've probably heard of them before. Apple has a at-home advisor that is available, and I'll just go over here that they list all the time. Right now, that particular role is not available, but they do have it. So I want you guys to keep your eye open because I hear Apple is a great company to work for. And from what I've been told, when they do have the at-home advisors, they supply you with the tools that you need to succeed at home. So you don't have to necessarily use your personal computer, but here are three roles that they do offer: at-home advisor, at-home team manager, and at-home area manager. Okay, so I'll have the link below for that as well. You do get paid time away, product discounts, and career growth. That's why I say Apple is a great company to work for. I want you to check back here, but here's where you would go. I didn't find any at-home advisors for the US that speak English, but if you speak other languages, there are opportunities available to you. So I'll go here. This goes over a video. You guys can watch this at your own convenience. So I wanted to take you to want to search for a job now. Click here, okay, to get started. There's a video you can watch that at your convenience, but I wanted to just share with you at-home advisor. So keep this job on your radar because this is from what I continue to hear in the marketplace, this is a great opportunity. Let's see. So in Los Angeles, they have the at-home advisor available, but you need to speak Japanese, Korean, and Brazilian Portuguese language. Okay, so keep your eye open if you don't speak these languages, but if you do, this is a great opportunity. Come check it out when they have it available. I just wanted to keep this one on, like keep this one in your back pocket. They don't have anything right now that's more recent, but I keep hearing good things about this company, so I want to share this with you. So the last one is what I definitely want to share to our wonderful and amazing essential workers who are on the front line. You are amazing. If you know anyone who wants to take a break from being on the front line and they want to get away from the traffic right now, or they lost their job, maybe they had to close their center, their hospital, their for care facility, and they're looking for work. Aetna has case managers available, and they're virtual case managers. So you would come over here, and if you look here, they're everywhere. So you have Richmond, Virginia, Detroit, you have San Antonio, you have New Jersey, you have Texas, you have West Virginia, you have, you have a lot of states here. Let's go back to the top so you can get the total, a number. 169 results came up when I put in the remote case manager nurse, which is a registered nurse. So that's an RN. Definitely take a look at this opportunity for those of you who are registered nurses and are looking for employment. Check out Aetna. They look like they have a lot of openings and a lot of recent openings in the last few and last month. I see some openings here. So definitely check out Aetna. Let's go over to just a registered nurse. I'm not in that field, don't know much about it, but I'm going to share just here. They have a lot of information here. They give you the benefits. So they offer benefits. Again, it is a remote position. They go over the job details here, so you can apply or save the job here. Travel is a local only, 25 to 50%. Here's just the job description and information. If you're a registered nurse and interested in case management, this is definitely an opportunity you may want to take a look at and maybe keep on your radar as well. So you guys, thank you for joining. All the links to jobs that we discussed in the video will be below. I'll come back later on this week with more customer care positions. I did see some other ones, and I'll share those with you guys, and share these with your friends and your family. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're notified. Have a good one. Bye-bye.